This is MechaPaint. It's a new tool for painting and texturing 3D models. If you're like me, you've never made a model with a bad UV map, but it turns out some people have. We're going to look at one real quick that's really bad. So this is an old model. If I set the background to black, you can see just how bad this is. Now, MechaPaint can still draw on this. If it has UVs, MechaPaint can draw on pretty much anything. So for example, if I wanted to stick my logo on the ground over here, that would not be a problem. It's as easy as that. But if we go look at the UV map, this is where that logo ended up. It's split up all over the place. And there is no way this is an efficient use of space. So we're going to use this tool here in the Mesh Tools called Rebuild UVs. It remaps your UV coordinates, but it keeps your textures intact. And then it takes that texture and applies that to the new UV map. The result is an identical looking model, but a much more efficient UV map. And again, it's easy to see this if I go set the background to black. This is the new UV map. And if you'll notice, that logo is on one piece now. And actually a lot of these parts, it's stuck back together as single pieces, where before they were sliced all apart and all over the place. And that's how the Rebuild UV system works. I hope this made sense, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thanks, and have a great day.